Welcome to the Trading Panel User Guide. In this video, we'll introduce the Inno panel, which includes the Market panel, Pending panel, Close panel, and Info panel, designed to help you manage your trades effectively. The Market panel lets you place trades instantly. Enter your lot size, choose the currency, and confirm your order. Stop loss and take profit levels automatically adjust when you change risk or point values. To exit quickly, use the Close All button to close every position in that currency. The Pending panel allows you to schedule trades, set the lot size, stop loss, take profit, and entry point in points from the current market price. If you need to cancel all pending orders for the selected symbol, just click Cancel All. The Close panel gives you full control over active trades. You can modify stop loss and take profit levels, or enable trailing stops once a price target is reached. You can also close all trades once a total profit amount is achieved, or close positions individually or partially. The Info panel provides detailed account and market insights. The Account tab shows account details. The Symbol tab shows live market data for the selected pair. The Stats tab displays your trading performance. And the Analysis tab allows you to add indicators and support, or resistance levels, for deeper insights. Now we will create a full informative video on how to use these panels and how you can benefit from them to the maximum. Stay with us.